You see the lipstick. Mm. You look cute. You look cute. Look that. You look cute. I look cute. Yeah, I look cute. Yeah, you see that? I didn't use much. I just use a little bit. Today we are mixing foundation, Fancy and Milani. We're mixing that together. We're trying crazy thing. Let's go. Guys, this is the way I see people doing that. I want to try it. Following here. See? I want to try it, guys. To see what they're showing us, if it's brush painted. Painted. This is Fancy. This is Fancy. Fancy from Rihanna. From Rihanna. Guys, you tell me if my makeup looks cute or not. Okay? You tell me. Oh, look. Oh, wow. I feel good. It's everywhere. It's everywhere, guys. Make sure it's everywhere. Look. Cute. You see? This one, and then we're gonna put here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, today that's what one I'm gonna do. Okay. Everything didn't cost me nothing. Do you see that? Guys, did you see that? This video, I am gonna post it as is it. I'm gonna put it short on the short one faster, but this one I'm gonna put in the YouTube long. You see how it look like? You see from the beginning how crazy it was? This is how we do it. It get mess. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna clean up. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Did you see anything? I don't see anything. Did you see something? I don't see anything, anything. See that? Guys, you see? And if you have like nice earrings, wear something cute, and you're ready to go. Tommy, from the beginning, you see? I put Fancy from Rihanna. Fenty from Rihanna. Fenty Beauty. I put Milani, okay? And I use my matte lipstick. I use the matte lipstick. I use this color for my highlight here, and I use this color too, both of them. And then for my eyeshadow, I use this this also is a lipstick matte. I use this one for my, you see, eyeshadow. Guys, I use the last thing I use to make everything look nice. This one is banana powder, deep banana powder. Only all of 3 this ingredient I use. You don't need to spend a lot of money in the makeup if you don't have money. You can look nice, you can look cute. I didn't even put a spray yet, but this is what I use, guys. Do you see that? Guys, I use all of this in my face to make my face look like this. If you want more crazy makeup like this, you want to see more transfer like this, guys, you have to follow me. You have to leave a comment, to like it, share my video. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. You see the lipstick? It look cute. It look cute. Look like it look cute. I look cute. Yeah, I look cute. Yeah, you see that? I didn't use much. I didn't just use a little bit. Yeah, madam. You look nice. Thank you. You see that? Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe. I see you in my next video. Ciao.